Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers. For today's Blizzard treat is the Strawberry Angel Food Cake. So yeah. Anyways, just gonna give this ice cream treat a try and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Tastes like strawberries and fresh berries and some cake and creamy DQ soft serve. Super duper yummy. Just gonna give another try with a big scoop. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Delicious. 10 out of 10 on this flavor because it's got the strawberry taste, especially the cake. So that's one way to cool down from that hot summer heat. Easier way to cool down. A perfect dessert. So I highly recommend to try this flavor for the summer on each Blizzard ice cream treats. That flavor is the best. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more future videos that you might be familiar with. I also really appreciate for taking the time how much you enjoyed the chicken strip basket review that I did today. They're awesome. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I'll stay tuned for more future content. So I stay busy. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the support, and bye for now.